Hello, here is the demo of Worklog Lightning app. This app helps in logging timesheet by employees. Let's see how it works. Go to the app exchange to download the application. To launch the application, go to the app launcher, search for the app Worklog, click to launch it. We can see that there are 4 tabs: timesheets, setup, projects and tasks. Projects and tasks are 2 custom objects that are needed as the base of our application. For the demo, we have created test data for them. Let's go to the setup tab. It defines few custom settings with some default values. To start with, let's see the checked ones first. Date only. By default, this is enabled, which means that in the timesheet for the days of the week we show only date. Show weekend. By default, it is enabled, that is all the weekends are included. Task required. By default, this is disabled, that is the task is not required. Let's see some of the custom settings. Approval process. The application provides one more features, that is the support for approval process. We will see more of this in the timesheet tab. Let's move down, let's move further. Here are some more custom settings. Entry task field, the reference for the task object. Entry project field, the reference for the project S object. Here's one more custom setting, week start day. We can define the week starting day. By default it is Sunday. We can set it to any other day of the week. So let's go to the timesheet tab and see how it works. Let's click new to create a new timesheet. Here are certain data, certain fields. Let's see what they represent. Employee, this shows the current logged in user. Week beginning from, this shows a date which is calculated from which is calculated by the recent day which we have selected under the setup. It was Sunday, so the last Sunday was 16th August. Summary, this is currently 0 as we have not logged any hours. This icon is the settings. There are few settings out of those custom settings. So let's see what they are. Show pick list. This is enabled by default. Show pick list or show lookup option to select option and task on the timesheet. Task required. Disable or enable the task required. Currently this is not mandatory. This is disabled. There are these 3 fields: short day with date, date only, day only. We can select any one of them to show the days of the week on the timesheet. Let's select short day with date. Hide task. We can hide the task from the timesheet. So if we select the hide task, then the task is no more required. Let's save it and proceed further. Let's select a project to see the task as well. Let's unhide it and let's select a task. Let's start logging some hours. As we are logging, we can see that the subtotal row gets updated with the entry. Let's click save. After saving it, it redirects to the detail page of the timesheet. We can see that all the data is updated. We can click edit to open the timesheet in the view mode. We can change the date to change the timesheet. Let's say we select a date from the past and let's select a date from the future week, from the coming week. We can again log hours. we can save it. You can see that we have created timesheets for these 2 weeks. That's it for the demo. Thank you.